Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you a beautiful rhyme about peacock. Mayuraha. Mayuraha means peacock. Let us see, children. See here. Samskrita Geetam. Samskrita Geetam means Sanskrit rhymes. Mayuraha, peacock. Children, listen carefully. First, I will sing the rhyme. You just repeat. You just listen. Okay, children. Then I will explain the meaning. Okay? Listen carefully, children. Aham mayuraha sahaja sundaraha dharami picham suvishalam drishtva gagane krishna varidam karomi nrityam manoharam. Listen carefully, children. I will sing the song one more time. Sing the rhyme one more time. Just listen. Aham mayuraha sahaja sundaraha dharami picham suvishalam drishtva gagane krishna varidam karomi nrityam manoharam. In this paragraph, you have to sing the last word manoharam 2 times. Okay, children? This word manoharam 2 times. Okay, children? Listen. Karomi nrityam manoharam. Manoharam. Okay, children? Now, I will explain the meaning. Listen carefully, children. Now, the bird, the king of all the birds, the peacock is introducing himself. See here. Aham mayuraha. What does mean aham mayuraha? Aham means I. Mayuraha means peacock. The peacock is introducing, I am a peacock. See here. I am a peacock. Aham, I. Mayuraha means peacock. Then sahaja sundaraha. What do you mean by sahaja sundaraha? Sahaja sundaraha means so beautiful. I look so beautiful. You see here, the peacock is looking so beautiful, right? Sahaja sundaraha. I look so beautiful. Then dharami picham suvishalam. I have a big wings. See here, how big it is. The wings of the peacock, how big it is, right? So that only the peacock is saying, Aham suvishalam picham dharami. I have big wings, huge wings. Okay, children? With the wings, what the peacock will do? See here. Drishtva gagane krishna varidam. What does it mean by krishna varidam? Varidam means megha. See here. Varidaha. Varidaha means megha. Megha. See here, children. Megha. Okay. What the peacock will do, when the peacock see the black cloud in the sky, then the peacock will automatically dance. The peacock will dance. See here, children. Drishtva gagane krishna varidham. Gagane means in the sky. In the sky. Krishna varidham means black clouds. When the peacock see the black clouds in the sky, what the peacock will do? The peacock will start dancing. Okay, children? Krishna varidham drishtva karomi nrityam. Aham nrityam karomi. During that time, I will dance. How the peacock will dance? Manoharam nrityam karomi. So, aham manoharam nrityam karomi. I dance beautifully. Okay, children, did you understand this? Now, I will repeat, I will sing the song one more time, sing the rhyme one more time. This time, you have to repeat after me, children. Okay, see here. Aham mayuraha sahaja sundaraha dharami picham suvishalam. See here. Aham mayuraha sahaja sundaraha dharami picham suvishalam drishtva gagane krishna varidam karomi nrityam manoharam. Okay, children?